Welcome to our newest listing in Safety Harbor. This is Ashley Guidis and Grant Guidis. We are featuring a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, just over 2,800 square feet.
Come on in and check it out.
Three of my favorite things about this listing is that it's located in beautiful Safety Harbor, Florida, with golf cart distance down to Main Street. The interior has been completely renovated, and it has a sparkling pool ready for your new family.
Thank you for touring our listing, and let the Guidis team
Find your dream.